Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another quick tips for entertainers, a spring snake episode. That's right, this is about the Cool Gear thermos. I'm calling it a thermos, but it's one of those little thermosy type things. Cool Gear has a lot of different designs, but the neat thing is, it is the perfect diameter for all the different size spring snakes. In fact, you ready for this? Watch this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh boy, we got a lot of them there. Let's see. I count 5 of them so far. I've got the smaller ones like this, and the larger ones like this, and they all fit in the can, and it works great. Now, if you look inside, it's smooth insides, which is a good thing. Also, that I find important is the cap is it's an inside cap. In other words, when you're putting a snake inside, pardon me, well, we'll just load it up and I'll show you what I mean. We're going to load it in like this. Okay. And instead of trying to push something in, some of the older ones you have to push something in. This one, it catches like that, and then you can kind of tuck it in like this, and away it goes. So there it is, the Cool Gear. In fact, you get them in all sorts of styles. There's a camouflage green one. There's a camouflage pink one. There is a U.S. flag one there. There is a flower design. And if you're really, really into this, they even have packages where you can buy them all together. Coca-Cola design here. This was actually the 4-pack I got at a thrift store. $6.96. And there's 4 of them. These are about that price for one of them. I think they go as high as, I've seen them as high as $8, I think. I think Big Lots has them for about $6. Tip for you also, this is important for those of you who are still hanging with me. In the summertime, they usually put these out. In fact, these were quite popular at Big Lots for a while. They were $5 each, American flag design. I was able to pick these up for as little as $2, I think it is, a piece after summer. So check for an after summer sale. Big Lots they do a lot of those. Walmart has after summer sales on these. Sometimes you can get them at like CVS or Walgreens, 2 for $6 or 2 for $8 or whatever it is. They're really cool. These are a lot of fun. On another video, I'll show you one of my routines that I use with these. But there it is. My tip is spring snake can, get a Cool Gear, and you can put all the different sizes in there. Again, thank you very much for coming. Thank you for those of you who have joined us before. For those of you who are new to this, please subscribe and you'll get all the updates as they come along. And I want to thank you again. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time.